So you might be in a situation where for some reason your WhatsApp account is still banned even after WhatsApp went through and reviewed your particular account. Now, the very first thing to keep in mind is that if your actual WhatsApp, like your account, if you were spamming a bunch of people, if you were going through and actually, trying to, take advantage of people within WhatsApp, scam comments, things like that, there really is no way that you're going to recover your account because WhatsApp does a manual review. And if they go through and, basically deem your account as basically inappropriate, there's really not too many options you have. So keep that in mind if that was actually how your account was actually banned. Now, if your account, like you're looking at it and you're like, hey, it should have never been banned, there's still issues going on with it. Well, the first thing you can probably do is if you get that little panel that says your WhatsApp account is banned, what you can do is you can make your way over to Google, Safari browser, Google Chrome, whatever, and you can basically go ahead and search up WhatsApp contact, just like this. And there should be a little panel that'll come up right here that will allow you to go ahead and contact WhatsApp. So what you want to do is you want to tap on that contact WhatsApp panel, and it's going to say this. It's going to say contact WhatsApp, WhatsApp Messenger support to better assist you, yada, yada, yada. Now, it's going to ask you for your particular WhatsApp information. So right here, what you're going to want to do is all this information is going to be basically relevant and almost the exact same thing that you're going to be having on your WhatsApp account. So all that information you had on your WhatsApp account, your phone number, your email address, confirm your email address, make sure this is the right information for that WhatsApp account that you basically had. So now what you can do right here where it says, how do you use WhatsApp? You can say whatever, and then you can enter your message below. So you're going to want to write something like, hey, I was on WhatsApp, my account got banned, and it should have never been banned. It's I request a review, it's still banned, whatever, X, Y, and Z. You can just come up with whatever you can. And then at that point, what you want to do after you, talk about what's, going on with your account, you can go and click on next step. And it's going to allow you to basically send this message over to WhatsApp. And at that point, they should be able to go through and take a look at your account. And hopefully they can go ahead and reinstate your account if it was actually like a mistake on WhatsApp's part. Like I said, if you actually went through and if you actually went against their terms of service, there's not too many options you have there. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, not me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.